How to budget for recurring bills in YNAB. First of all, open the app and make sure you are signed in to your account. Once you are on the home screen, tap on the plan option from the bottom bar. Here you will see your budget categories and subcategories. Start by identifying all your recurring bills such as rent, utilities, subscriptions, insurance or loan payments. If you don't already have categories for these, create them by tapping the Notes with pencil icon in the top right corner, then tap the plus button or select New Category. Next, tap on the bill category and select Add Target. Choose the type of goal, for example, weekly, monthly, yearly or custom by date, and enter the amount you need to pay. To simplify managing recurring bills, you can use scheduled transactions. For example, set your rent to repeat monthly or your subscription to repeat yearly. Then tap Save Target. Once everything is set, allocate money from your ready to assign balance to each bill category. Regularly review your bill categories to ensure you have enough fund allocated, avoid missed payment, and plan ahead for upcoming expenses. Now you know how to budget for recurring bills in YNAB. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more finance tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.